टीचर दिसत आहे की
Good morning, my friends.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
Good morning.
मॉर्निंग सर
Okay, now we are going to start today our lesson. We have only 40 minutes, so that we have to keep in mind. Today's our lesson in a class of their own. Today's our topic in a class of their own. There are two parts. So today I am going to take part 1. Everyone, as I told you that keep ready your book. So sometimes when I say something, so and so page number, so you can refer book that time. So today's topic already it is written there on the whiteboard in a class of their own, part 1. So this topic is very interesting. Now few of the questions I am going to ask you. मी तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न विचारणार आहे आणि ते तुमच्या वर्गाबद्दलच मी विचारणार आहे. तुमचा वर्ग जो असतो त्या वर्गामध्ये देयर आर डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. कोण सांगेल मला की तुमच्या वर्गामध्ये जो वर्ग जो असतो त्यामध्ये विद्यार्थी काय काय करतात, कसे असतात? कॅन यू गिव्ह मी एक्झाम्पल?
अभ्यास करतात अभ्यास करतात
एकाने मी सांगितलं. See, I call your name, so that time you will answer. Otherwise, you will not give me answer. As I told you. आस्था, सांग बरं. Okay. So some students, what they chit chat. So some of the students they chit chat in the school. Okay. So they chit chat. Okay. Or you can say these students they are what? Gossip. काय करतात ते? गॉसिप करतात. ओके. गौरव, टेल मी आणखीन कसे स्टुडंट असतात?
स्टडी अभ्यास करतात.
ओके. सम स्टुडंट्स they do their sincere study. Okay, sincerely do they study. Okay. Now Komal, tell me निष्कर्ष.
वर्गात कचरा करतात.
Okay, some okay. They are throwing papers, waste paper of notebook. Okay.
Hello.
Notebooks. Okay. Then Siddhi, can you tell me? Huh?
Off notebook, no?
Hello.
Yes sir.
Teacher. Off paper notebook or off
Throwing waste paper notebooks. Okay. Then what else? Some students they are making noise also, right? In the class they are making noise. सर्व विद्यार्थी शाळेमध्ये येतात का? All the students, do they come regularly in the school?
No, sir.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
So, yes, but some students,
But some students
irregular. They are irregular. Okay, they are not every day coming. They are every day not coming regularly. Okay. What else? Some students, do they complete their homework?
Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. So incomplete homework also. Incomplete homework, or they do not do homework. Okay. Do they quarrel in the school? भांडण करतात का? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. But why you are not telling? You should tell me, no? तुम्ही सांगायला पाहिजे what is happening in the school, that you have to tell me.
Students study.
Study, quarrel, and sometimes they fight also. Sometimes they fight. Okay. So some students are gossiping, talking, disturbing everyone, making noise, not coming regular to the school, not doing their homework, quarrel, fight. Okay. But some students are very sincere also, silence. Okay. Not all the students are, you can say, the naughty students, but some students are very sincere also, very sincere. Not all the students are naughty, very sincere students also there. सगळ्याच काही वाईट गोष्टी वर्गामध्ये नसतात. Okay. They are punctual. They are punctual about their study, everything, and they follow the discipline, and whatever the teacher tells them, they listen. So today we are going to see such a class, in a class of their own. What? Their students, what type of that we are going to see. So this is our today's topic in a class of their own, part 1. So या वर्गामध्ये there are boys and girls, and they are 60. How many are they? 60 students, and they have camps. They have camps. Camps means what? There is a group of students. जसे गट असतात की नाही, तसे ह्या मुलांमध्ये पण काय आहे, छोटे 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 काय आहे, they have a group, and what they do, they are sometimes quarrels. Quarrel means what? They भांडण करतात. Sometimes they argue and fighting. Means all these students, they fight, then they do mischief, but they have unity. पण त्यांच्यामध्ये काय आहे, unity आहे. They are all united, and that is a big positive things. म्हणजे कोणी त्यांच्या विरोधात आले की काय करतात, ते एकत्र येतात, आणि एकत्र आल्यानंतर त्याला व्यवस्थित काय देतात, ते तोंड देतात. आता मी तुम्हाला काही ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये एक थोडासा प्रश्न विचारणार आहे. ओके. त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला येस किंवा नो उत्तर द्यायचं आहे. 1. फक्त कोमलला मी विचारतो, आर यू अ गुड स्टुडंट?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. Now see, do you go to school on time? Komal?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you disturb the class?
No.
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 No. Okay. So all you are good students, so you are not disturbing class. Do you complete your homework?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Uh,
आता
do
मी
you
पुस्तकाने बसायच्या मध्ये लिहून घेत होता.
do you miss every day online class?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
No.
मिस म्हणजे
No.
काय माहितीये या
No.
प्रश्नाचा अर्थ असा आहे की तुमचा
तुला नाही
ऑनलाईन
करता
क्लास
लिहिलं?
आहे तो तुम्ही
बसात
मिस
घेऊन.
करता का
नाही
चुकवता
करत.
का
No.
तर
No.
तो तुम्ही क्लास काय करत आहात चुकवत नाही मिस करत नाही
Join करता.
आणि नेहमी तुम्ही काय असता पंक्च्युअल असता तुम्ही तुमच्या क्लासला
Join
नेहमी
होतो.
ऑल युअर पंक्च्युअल रेग्युलर ओके so this is a good quality that you are very sincere students and every day you are attending your class very regularly okay so now see some of the questions now this is the another activity how do you want your teacher to be तुम्हाला तुमची टीचर काय कशी हवी आहे okay now the first point that is do you want your teacher very strict and disciplined Vinay
Yes, sir.
yes okay
Yes,
it
sir.
means तुम्हाला तुमची टीचर अतिशय कडक आणि शिस्तीमध्ये ठेवणारी हवी आहे
Yes.
okay your answer is this one but some of the students they don't like strict teacher and very disciplined शिस्त आणि कडक शिक्षक काही विद्यार्थ्यांना आवडतात some of the students they like and some of the students they do not like do you like friendly teacher
Yes.
with the students and helpful
Yes.
okay
Yes.
yeah this is good point if teacher is friendly
Yes.
then everyone
Yes.
love that teacher then third do you like polite kind and understanding teacher
Yes.
yes no
Yes.
no okay polite म्हणजे काय नम्र दयाळू आणि समजूतदार असणारी शिक्षिका तुम्हाला नकोय का
हवी.
हवी आहे
Yes.
Means
Yes.
you want polite teacher kind and understanding
Yes.
do you
Yes.
want such teachers who is engaging you all the time in the activities
Yes.
Yes.
yes because there are so many activities craft activities then the science project then physical education then the annual gathering
Drawing.
small drawing various cultural activities जर शिक्षक तुम्हाला अशा ऍक्टिव्हिटीज मध्ये जर गुंतवणारे असतील तर तुम्हाला ते आवडतात प्रोव्हाइड यू आन्सर्स तुम्हाला आन्सर अगदी रेडीमेड देतात असे आवडतात का
No.
नाही रेडीमेड म्हणजे काय तुम्ही काही स्वतः विचार करणार नाही कंप्लेंट्स अबाउट यू टू द पेरेंट्स तुमची पालकांना तक्रार करणाऱ्या बाई तुम्हाला आवडतात का
नाही.
हा मग कोणतरी येस म्हणाला इट मीन्स you don't like a teacher who complain about you all the time sometimes okay काही वेळेला तुम्ही अभ्यास नाही केला then teacher call your parents
Yes.
तुम्ही मारामारी केली fighting then she tell you now bring your parents if you misbehave in the school she tell now come here and tomorrow I want your parent to be here in the school so but all the time if she complains about you you are doing this you are doing that you are not good so such teacher you won't like so you want teacher sometimes only if we complain for right reason then okay but all the time if she complains then you don't like so now we are going to talk about this lesson and in this lesson it is very interesting there are 60 students in the class and all they are what? Quarreling, arguing and fighting. And sometimes काय माहितीये, हा एकच वर्ग असा होता, that only one class in the school. That's if you see the 3 rounds of the school ground or copy 100 lines from the book as a punishment. Means this punishment is given to this class. असा हा क्लास होता की त्यांना 3 राऊंड मैदानावर फेऱ्या मारायला आणि जर 100 ओळी जर लिहायला सांगितलं तर कुठला क्लास होता हा? दिस इज द one class. It was not so good, but the good point is what? No one tells, but they बघा तिकडे अर्थ दिलेला आहे. Talk to other people should someone's fault and mistakes and secrets. पण हा वर्ग कोडाची ही काय म्हणतो आपण, सहाडी किंवा बिंग फुटेल अशा प्रकारे कोणाची चूक किंवा काही गुपित आहे ते सांगत नसत. नॉट इवन अ सिंगल बॉय दॅट. सो द होल क्लास दे यूज टू टेक पनिशमेंट. पूर्ण क्लास काय करायचा? पनिशमेंट घ्यायचा. ओके. सो एज आय टोल्ड यू, दिस क्लास of 60 girls and boys, all they were quarreling, arguing, fighting. पण जेव्हा कोणाशी बरोबर सामना करायचा असेल, तोंड द्यायचं असेल तर all they used to come. There was a unity. So if they are taking 3 rounds or copying something, this is the very mischievous and naughty class. But they did not tell anybody's name ki yani kela tyani kela. Such type of name they shouldn't never disclose to anyone. So what did once happen? All the teachers, they were shouting. Why the teacher do they shout? Can you tell me? Teacher केव्हा shout करतात? Poor marks, shabby work, incomplete homework and not attending school. As you told me, when you are not doing your homework, shabby work means what? नीटनेटकं नसलेलं काम. And if you are not coming regularly, so teacher, they were all worried. त्यांना चिंता वाटायची. But they did not bother. पण त्यांना त्याची काही फिकीर नव्हती. ओके. सो देर वॉज नो डिफरन्स. काही फरक पडला नाही. इफ यू शाउट, मार्क कमी मिळू दे, बेशिस्त होमवर्क करू दे, बट इट डिड नॉट मेक एनी डिफरन्स टू दीज स्टुडंट्स. बट इन फॅक्ट दे वेर प्राऊड. त्यांना सर्वांना आपल्या क्लासचा काय होता? अभिमान होता. व्हॉट एव्हर इट मे बी. भांडण करणार असू दे, तंटे करणार असू दे, फायटिंग करणार असू दे, नेहमी न येणार असू दे, इनकम्प्लीट असू दे, बट दे वेर what? Proud of their class. So now here one new teacher came, Mrs. Desai. So Mrs. Desai, what she said, I have heard about you people from your last year teachers. She said that I heard, मी ऐकलंय तुमच्याबद्दल, मागच्या ज्या तुमच्या शिक्षिका होती त्यांनी मला सांगितलं आहे. But what she said, I am proud of you. Unity is a very important quality and you must always maintain it. But she did not criticize. पण टीका केली नाही. But what she said, positive. You are good students. This is a unity. म्हणजे काय? एकत्र येणं ही तुमचा एक महत्वाचा गुण आहे. And always you maintain it. I am very happy to be your class teacher. Means, did you understand that I am very very happy. मी खूप आनंदी आहे की मी तुमची वर्ग शिक्षिका आहे. Now when the teacher said this sentence, one of the students said, did you notice what she called us? It's very interesting because she never called any children. ती कोणाला मुलांना असं नाही म्हणाल्या. Always what she said, girls, boys, you young people, my dear, young man, young lady. So all these beautiful words used by Mrs. Desai, new class teacher, not children. त्या म्हणाल्या girls, boys, you young people, my dear, young man, young lady. So everyone was happy with this word. And now what she said, this young lady will show us how to do it. When she called someone to the blackboard, she said, this young lady, म्हणजे जी शब्द वापरले young lady, ते सर्वांना काय विद्यार्थ्यांना खूपच आवडले. We like very much. So this new teacher, everyone, they like, they preferred, because she did not call them by means her style was totally different. Now see, this naughty class and the new teacher came. She came to know good, bad, very all bad things about this class. This class is not good, taking punishment for so many reasons. आणि नंतर काय आली, टेस्ट आली. सो टेस्ट झाल्यावर दिस क्लास वॉज व्हेरी नॉटी. सो दे यूज टू द ऑल पनिशमेंट्स अँड स्कोल्डिंग. रिझल्ट लागल्यानंतर काय, टेस्ट झाली आणि मिसेस देसाई केम विथ द रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स. बट हाऊ वॉज शी? शी वॉज नॉट अँग्री ॲट ऑल. त्या रागावलेल्या नव्हत्या. शी वॉज टोटली क्वाइट, शांत होत्या. म्हणजे परफॉर्म नाही केला स्टुडंटनी. सो शी डिडंट गेट अँग्री. शी स्माइल ॲज युजल. मीन्स ऑल these things it happened. She didn't look angry and was totally quiet. And नेहमीप्रमाणे स्मित हास्य होतं. पण त्यांचे डोळे सांगत होत्या की त्या आनंदी दिसत नव्हत्या. नाउ इन युअर स्कूल ऑल्सो टेस्ट होते तेव्हा टीचर काय करतात, वन बाय वन टीचर गिव्ह यू द कार्ड, रिपोर्ट कार्ड, or sometimes they give you your answer paper to see how do you perform in the test. त्या टेस्ट मध्ये काय झालं तर many of them failed, some did not appear, failed, appeared, and some students got good marks and very few very good in the all subjects. It is happen in the exam. Some students they do well, some students are not. But this class totally what? Not perform well. Okay. So Mrs. Desai said, so that's that. And she distributed everything. But suddenly what happened? Her eyes filled with tears. पूर्ण त्यांचे डोळे कशाने भरून आले? अश्रूने भरून आले. बट व्हॉट शी डिड? शी डिड नॉट लेट टीयर्स फॉल. अश्रू घरंगळू दिले नाही. अँड शी जस्ट ब्लिंक. व्हॉट शी डिड? ब्लिंक अँड टर्न टू द ब्लॅकबोर्ड. समवन सॉ दिस की टीचरच्या डोळ्यातून पाणी आलेलं आहे. सो समवन सेड, आर यू अँग्री विथ us, madam? Someone asked. Desai said, no, not at all. The student reacted, but you don't feel proud of us anymore. सुरुवातीला त्या काय म्हणाल्या की I am proud of you, but student, now you don't feel proud of us anymore. Sushmita said in a low and soft voice. Sushmita said that you will not be proud of us anymore because we did not do good in the exam, all failed, remain absent. परीक्षेमध्ये जर परफॉर्मन्स चांगला नसेल तर टीचर काही आपलं काय गुणगान गाणार आहे का? नाही गाणार. नो सुष्मिता, यू आर माय क्लास and I will always want to be proud of you. Come on, now let us go back to our studies. Take out your books. So what she said, that want to be proud of you. In the beginning they said, I am proud of you. We waited after school. Student, they waited. ते थांबले आणि टॉक अबाउट दिस. आणि अस्मिता काय म्हणाली, डिड यू नोटिस व्हॉट देसाई मॅम सेड? अस्मिता आस्क स्नेहल. स्नेहल म्हणाली, तुझ्या लक्षात आलं का की देसाई मॅडम काय म्हणाल्या? शी सेड, देसाई मॅडम व्हॉट शी सेड, आय विल ऑलवेज वॉन्ट टू बी प्राऊड ऑफ यू. वॉन्ट बघा एकदम त्या ठिकाणी बोल्ड मध्ये लिहिलंय, वॉन्ट टू बी प्राऊड ऑफ यू. शी डिडंट से आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ यू. शी डिडंट से, ती असं म्हणाले नाही की आय एम प्राऊड ऑफ यू. I will always want to be proud of you. It means, what do you expect? I said. तर ती काय म्हणाली की काय अपेक्षा करतात आहे? So many of us fail. बरेच जण परीक्षेमध्ये नापास झाले आणि त्यांनी तर टेस्ट पण दिले नाही. So many students they miss also. Then how do you expect her to be proud of us? जर आपण परीक्षेमध्ये चांगला परफॉर्म नाही केला, दांड्या मारल्या आणि सर्वच जणांनी आपण परीक्षेला चांगल्या प्रकारे केले नाही, तर त्या कशा म्हणतील की मी तुमच्याबद्दल अभिमानी आहे. सो दिस इज द लेसन. मीन्स नाउ आय रिकॅपिच्युलेट what happened in this lesson. There are 60 students and all they were naughty, and all these students, they were not doing well, but the new teacher, she was positive. All previous teacher, they used to tell not good things about this class, not attending, mischievous, taking punishment. But this teacher, my dear friends, young boy, young lady, girls, boys, and she appreciated. And when she distributed the result, she did not make nervous. She did not insult students. की काय तुम्ही परीक्षेमध्ये प्रगती नाही केली, you are not so good, what you will do in your life. She didn't say anything. She only cried, but inside she did not show or anger to the students. So automatically students started thinking, मुलं विचारायला करायला लागले की या टीचर तर काहीच रिॲक्ट केलं नाही. So automatically they change. Now see some of the points we are going to see one by one. Okay, so here some few of the activities we are going to take. This is regarding the opinion poll. What do you mean by the opinion poll? Opinion poll means what? Can you tell me? Asta? Okay. Opinion poll. Opinion poll means what? कल चाचणी, मत चाचणी. So there are the 3 types of questionnaires. एक कोणासाठी आहे? गुड फ्रेंड, नंतर गुड स्टुडंट आणि गुड टीचर. कशाला म्हणतात?
मित्रासाठी, दुसरा चांगल्या विद्यार्थ्यासाठी आणि तिसरा चांगल्या शिक्षकासाठी.
हा, व्हेरी गुड. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चनियर, प्रश्नावली आहे. And all these questions are easy. Now see, show you the answer sheets at the time of exam.
No.
There are 3 options. No.
Disagree.
Disagree. Okay, very good. Disagree. Points it out when you are doing something wrong.
Agree.
Agree. Very good. Sides with you in all fights and quarrels.
Disagree.
Disagree, because quarrels and fighting is not good. So she is not supposed to take side when you are doing wrong things, bad things. So
But
disagree.
sir,
Keep, huh?
जेव्हा सर ते गुड थिंग करत असेल तेव्हा नॉट शुअर पण येऊ शकतं.
Yes, but the fighting, no. All, see, sides with you in all fights.
Yes.
All शब्द असताना नसता तर ओके, बट ऑल फाईट्स
ऑल फाईट्स म्हणजे सर्वांनी फाईट करायची.
म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळेला तुम्ही भांडण करता आणि मारामाऱ्या करता, मग तुमची साईड कशी घेणार?
Disagree.
सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो
Disagree.
settle the matter is okay, but taking somebody's side is not so good. Keep a secret.
Disagree.
Agree.
Yes.
Agree.
Agree. Okay, some are agree, disagree. It is your personal opinion. Tells you all the gossip.
Sir,
Gossip म्हणजे काय?
Sir, gossip
तुम्हाला सगळं तो म्हणजे काय चर्चा किंवा काय म्हणताय आपण सारखं काहीतरी सांगत बसणं कानाकडे येऊन. हा? Disagree. Okay. So all these points are there. We have to take so many things. Now we have seen all these things. Now the next one, see, we are going to do very fast. Keeps quiet in the classroom all the time. Disagree. Good student. Of 10
Of 10 brings gift for
often
teacher.
brings gift for the teacher. Often or often.
Disagree.
Disagree. शिक्षकांना भेट देतो. Disagree. Takes effort to learn something to his her own.
Agree.
Agree. Then the is punctual and regular.
Agree.
Agree. Learns all answers by heart.
Disagree.
Disagree. पाठांतर करतो न समजता. Participates in all classroom activities.
Agree.
So there are all the points are easy, but we have to understand the meaning of it. Okay. So now one thing is left. That is the third one. What makes a good teacher? Provides ready-made answers. Disagree. Is friendly with all the students.
Agree.
Agree. Friendly. Brings a lot of fun and humor in the class.
Agree.
Gives challenging tasks and makes the students work on them.
Agree.
Understand the students' problem.
Agree.
Agree. Very good. So you understood this activity, which is in the beginning of the lesson. So now see, always there are some difficult words and phrases, and it is necessary to know all the difficult words. हे शब्द जर आपल्याला माहिती असतील, because anyhow our mother tongue is Marathi. We are not born and brought up somewhere where the people speak English and we listen all the time. So it is necessary to know all the difficult words meaning. हे शब्द या धड्यामधले सर्व मी दिलेले आहेत. All the words, it is not possible within a 30 or 40 minutes to read it out. पण मी हे सर्व ग्रुप वर तुम्हाला I will send you in our WhatsApp group. So all words
Group.
you copy it down very neatly. Everyone, you are supposed to write in your notebook difficult words meaning. When you read lesson, that time always keep in front of you all the difficult words, whatever you feel, so it is easy to understand the lesson. So if you know the meaning of all the whatever word came in this lesson, it is easy for you. So I'll send you later on in a group. Now see,
Group मध्ये नाही.
yes, now see, in some of the words, there are some certain words came in this lesson. See, that is in the red color I type always, sometimes and never. Always च्या समोर किती % दाखवलेलं आहे?
100.
100. आणि नेव्हर म्हणजे नेव्हर किती? 0%. 0%. आणि समटाइम्सच्या इकडे किती? 50%.
50%.
नाव लिसन. आता एखादी गोष्ट आपण कधीच म्हणजे 0% करत असेल, समजा आय एम स्टुडंट आणि मी शाळेत कधीच जात नसेल, तर व्हॉट आय विल से, आय नेव्हर गो टू द स्कूल. कारण शाळेमध्ये माझं नाव आहे, बट आय नेव्हर अटेंड स्कूल, आय नेव्हर टेक ऑनलाईन क्लास. सो इट इज ए 0%. पण शाळेमध्ये 50% अर्धे 3 दिवस जातो, 3 दिवस येत नाही, तर तो स्टुडंट काय म्हणेल? आय समटाइम्स गो टू स्कूल. I sometimes go to, because half of the day, 3 days, he is attending school, but 3 days he is sitting at home, not going. And 100 means what? Always. Those who are attending regular, they will say, I always attend online class.
Regularly.
Always get up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Okay? आता usually means 90%. Suppose 1 or 2 classes you are missing, what you will say? I usually attend online class. म्हणजे 5-6 दिवसामध्ये 1-2 क्लास तुमचे मिस होतात आहे. And I often attend class म्हणजे काय? 70% you are attending class, but 30% you are not attending. And here after never there is a rarely 10%. 10% means what? Sometimes only you attend. So all these sentences are there. बघा काही जण नेहमी मास्क वापरतात. What you will say? I always wear a mask. जे कधीतरी थोडं 10% विसरतात किंवा नाही वापरत, I usually wear a mask. Means sometimes 1 or 2 times they are not taking the mask and they are not putting there on the face. I often wash my hands, means 70%. We are supposed to wash for 30 seconds. But some people, if they are not washing regularly, so often, she sometimes uses sanitizer. Sanitizer is necessary in COVID-19, but 50% only. So that is not good for health. And in the market, you have seen lot of people are going for the buying things in the market. And what happens? They never keep distancing. It is necessary to keep distancing 1 meter, 2 meter in between them, but they are not keeping, they never keep distancing, just they are making crowd. And these people, they never use mask. But what? We are all good students. We always wear mask, 100%. So all these sentences we use. All these sentences also I'll send you in a group.
Always.
So you can copy it and you can write few of the sentences. So see, I underline this word, whatever this red and blue, all these are the adverb of frequency. Okay, all these words, whatever underline, that is a adverb. Okay.
Okay.
So all these words you have to copy later on, so it will be helpful for you for a future reference. Okay. Now see,
Okay.
in the lesson there one sentence came, used to. Used to means what? See, there is one sentence, we were used to teacher shouting at us for poor marks, shabby work, incomplete homework, not attending school regularly. Used to म्हणजे काय? Habit झालेली आहे, past habit. When something you are habituated आणि नंतर ते नसेल म्हणजे previous Desai teacher, before Desai teacher, all the teacher they used to shout. for shabby works not attending regular school. But the new teacher, she didn't, because they improved. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी पहिलं उदाहरण आहे की आय यूज टू रन फास्ट, म्हणजे तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा वेगाने धावत होतात, पण आता तुमची तेवढी गती राहिली नाही. वी यूज टू प्ले एव्हरी संडे मॉर्निंग, आम्ही संडेला प्रत्येक रविवारी खेळत होतो, पण आता ड्यू टू कोविड वी आर नॉट प्लेइंग. मीन समथिंग यू आर डुईंग, you were doing in the past, but you stop now. Okay, so many examples we can tell. I used to get up early in the morning, पण शाळा बंद झाल्यावर आम्ही काय केलंय, उशिरा उठतो. So we used to get up early in the morning when school was there. We used to, म्हणजे आम्हाला ती हॅबिट होती. But now no school, online class, so we are getting up late. So used to means what? The past habit, आपली जी पूर्वीची सवय, पण आता ती काय आहे त्याप्रमाणे नाही आहे. Okay, so
Okay.
now we are going. Yes. Now see, Desai, what she said, that
I have heard about you people from your last years.
Yes,
teachers.
teacher, and
I am proud of you. And
एकटाच वाचेल, एकटाच वाचेल.
unity is a very
Unity is an
important
important
quality.
quality, and you must
Very happy
always
to be
maintain it.
your
I am
classes teacher.
very happy to be
Always-
your class teacher.
Always mention it. I am very happy
एकच
to be
जे कोणी
your
वाचतं ना,
class teacher. How did
How did-
Desai call her student? Never children, always girls, boy, you young people,
or my dear people,
dear
or my
people,
dear,
or dear
or young
young
man.
man,
Young man.
or young lady.
Now this young lady will show us how to.
How to do it. Very good. You are reading very nice. So see, when someone is reading, that time you should not read, you should not disturb. Okay, so now see some of the irregular and regular. Regular verb means what? Simple past.
Like
ED.
the regular eye and like
yes.
irregular eye.
So left hand side where ed all the words are there, but SAYA there is a ID. So wherever the D ends, that is a regular, and the right hand side irregular, means totally there is no MAKE. We are not putting next to D. आपण E च्या पुढे D लिहित नाही. Total made झालं, ईचं was झालं, getचं got झालं, comes came झालं. All these things are totally different. Do, did. So this is the list of the words. हे शब्द या सर्व धड्यामध्ये काय आहेत? आलेले आहेत, आणि ते आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे? लिहायला पाहिजे. आता ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुमच्या लेसन मध्ये आहे. रिफ्लेक्सिव्ह प्रोनाउन. I. Someone is talking, someone is talking. I can hear your voice. As I told you की तुम्हाला सांगितलं, जेव्हा गरज नसेल तेव्हा तुमचा माईक ताबडतोब तुम्ही म्यूट करून टाकायचा आहे. So the class will not get any type of disturbance from your side. I, me, my, mind, myself. You, yourself. He, himself. She, herself. This is a table. This is a pronoun chart. It, its, itself. We, ourselves. you yourselves, they themselves. So this activity, it is there. तुमच्या पुस्तकामध्ये ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी तुम्हाला विचारलेली आहे. ओके, सो ऑल these things now just we have revised.
Okay.
I hope that everyone you understood lesson very nicely. This is our lesson, and in this lesson we have seen.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, very nice. All the activities.
Thank you.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Now, before I finish my lesson, I have to give you homework. Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
just a minute. Just a minute. I'll give you homework. So if you do your homework, then
Okay,
it is
sir.
a very nice. Otherwise, just attending class but nothing doing, it is not so good. So always what? Do homework. Without homework, what? You will not understand anything. Okay? So
Okay.
when I give homework, first what? Read a lesson. Okay, you know the name of the lesson. Then
Yes,
the
sir.
second,
In a class of their own.
yes, in a class of their own. Then solve workshop of this lesson. Okay.
Lesson.
Okay. Then
Lesson.
third one, copy all difficult words
Sir, show
and
the
its
Sir.
and what? Send your homework for correction. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
now you are a very nice student and you attended nicely. So everyone, you sincerely attended this class.
Sir, तुमचा WhatsApp
Everyone you
number द्या ना.
revised
Thank you, sir.
and as I told you,
Sir.
Thank you, sir. Today we completed our
Sir, WhatsApp
senior
number
class
तुमचा द्या ना.
of their own.
WhatsApp.
I end my class. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow part 2 I will continue.
Thank you, teacher.
Tomorrow I will continue the second part of this lesson. Everyone try to remain present before 8 o'clock because already I gave my number. I'll send you in a group. If you are not in our group,
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 Very thank you, sir.
हाँ